Sure.
Safi.
Sure. Let's obviously we'll go into. Does she ever work on Fridays?
Safi. Come on, girl. Hi, Minnie. Come on, Safi. Come on, Safi. Safi. Oh. Safi, where are you going? Safi. Minnie. Minnie. Hi, Safi. Hi, Safi. Minnie, stop. Did you talk with your paws, Saf? Talk with your paws. Yes. Yes, I could talk with my paws. My name is Safi. Come on, Safi. Safi. Oh, good girl.